The best answers in the world have no value if they belong to the wrong questions. All of us have goals and desires and move towards them. We look for answers, but we fail to realize that the answers are not as important as the questions we can ask. The more we focus, the more a goal achieves. In today's session, we are going to see how to improve your focusing skills. Have you ever felt this in yourself? That you spend hours and hours on focusing on a particular topic, but after some time you realize that you didn't finish the task at the given time? Focusing is essentially a combination of the most important question in which you ask yourself. For example, what is the one thing that I can do so that by doing it, everything will be easier or unnecessary will be avoided? This question looks at the smallest thing that will impact the biggest thing. Ask yourself questions then and there so that it examines your mind and makes you fresh. Paves the way to focus on the things you want to focus. Normally, we think we are productive and working hard, but in reality, we may be just confused, busy doing urgent things on our to-do list that may not be important or impactful for our main goal. Remember, the better you focus, the better your ability to learn and retain information. Understand that an average person can learn and accomplish a great deal in a brief time when he focused on a task. Use positive distractions such as listening to a song to warm up your motive to studying, which eases you into a focused study state. Get at least 7 hours of sleep to give you the mental and physical energy that needed to concentrate in lectures and when reading. Identify times when you are most alert and attentive, then work on your most challenging courses. The Pomodoro Technique, a simple method to balance focus with deliberate breaks. The theory behind this technique is that any large task or any series of tasks can be broken down into short timed intervals called Pomodoro. This helps you to break your complex works into smaller pieces, which paves way for it to be easier. Each is separated by a short break. This takes advantage of the fact our brains have limited attention spans. First of all, decide the task to be done. So as to how to use it, the only item you really need is timer. You can use the old way by setting up alarm or by timer apps. I recommend you 2 timer apps which really been helpful for me. The link will be in description box. Avoid constantly checking the timer. Once the timer goes off, take a short break for 5 minutes. Do not take the break at the same spot that you were working. Relax yourself. Do stretch up. Then repeat. 25 minutes study, 5 minutes rest. After 4 Pomodoro cycle, take a longer break of 20 minutes. Don't distract yourself. This Pomodoro technique helps you to focus on the task. Remember, you should not get distracted. Understand that the amount of time you can spend on each subject varies with your interest and the difficulty of the course. Key to maintain focus. The first key to maintain focus is increasing awareness. If we don't stay aware of our life's progression at the highest level, it is easy to lose focus. Progress doesn't matter if it isn't in the right direction. Regular reviews are critical for improving awareness. Spend more time in reflective thought by thinking about our own growth and other high-level issues more. We can increase our own awareness. The second key to maintain focus is accepting growth pains. Growing pains occur when the goals we set previously simply don't reflect the higher levels of consciousness we now have. If we stubbornly keep our goals despite our change, growing pains results, we will feel incredibly unmotivated to work on our goals, and we will likely feel the whole host of negative emotions. In these situations, our focus stifles our ability to be flexible. We remain locked into our goals. By casting off these goals, we can regain our focus and flexibility. So it is essential to accept our growth pains. The final key to maintaining focus is just do the best you can at that time. Aiming for a perfect solution will likely delay the action we need to create any solution at all. Just make the decision now. If you make a mistake, then quickly attempt to correct it. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. Dream big, work hard, stay focused, and surround yourself with good people. Thank you for watching this video.